Let's talk some weather, everybody. 5:16. We're beginning out at the City Center, Civic Center, I should say, in Holland. And look at that American flag blowing around. Winds have backed down a little bit from yesterday, though still brisk and gusting to around 20 to 25 at times here in the overnight. You don't see much in the way of any snowfall, and I would not anticipate a whole lot this morning nor early to mid-afternoon with just some passing scattered flurries. There may be another bit of an uptick like we saw yesterday evening with some of the light snow showers or flurry coverage this evening once again for sections along the lakeshore. But again, even at that point, I don't think accumulations are going to be great. There could be an isolated amount of a coating, half of an inch, something like that later tonight. But that's going to be it because temperatures will be improving over the weekend and sunshine is going to be noticed tomorrow. I think clouds will be tending to show back up on Sunday, though there could be some dimmed or filtered sunshine, but the southerly winds on Sunday are really going to be improving our temperature pattern around West Michigan. Right now, it's a west or northwest breeze at about 10 to 15 miles per hour or so, but gusting, as I mentioned, to 20 or 25, and that keeps these wind chills down in the single digits, except for the immediate lakeshore, where it's feeling more like 10, 11, 12 degrees to start this Friday. So everybody feeling good. It's Friday morning. Not feeling so good outside, though, with these temperatures in the 20s. I mean, it has a bitter feel to it. Luckily, though, we're staring down the barrel of meteorological spring, which is going to be starting on Sunday, March 1st, folks. And with that, temperatures are going to jump up substantially and noticeably. Upper 40s, I think, back half of the weekend. Not impossible that somebody, especially down to the south, could be hitting 50 degrees. And a relatively mild pattern I do see for the next week to 2 weeks. The next chance of any formidable precipitation likely to come in the form of rain. That would be after, of course, any lingering lake effect flurries for today and tonight or an isolated snow shower. So here's the Arctic air that's in place. We're going to put the map in motion, and here comes this mild bulge working across the central states. And those green colors start to come atop us and really plant themselves over us on Sunday. That's when we jump into the upper 40s. Slightly, marginally cooler air arrives Monday into Tuesday, but the atmosphere ought to be fairly mild at that point. We'll still make it into the 40s, and then we'll watch for even a mild, warmer area to come about in the southwestern U.S., and some of that has signs of expanding in coverage, and that could be some of our warmest temperatures of 2020 if that all materializes for not this coming weekend, but the following weekend. And the Climate Prediction Center noting that on their latest 8 to 14 day cycle. And I do think that has a good chance of materializing. Right now, it's just lake effect flurries, maybe somebody getting a very isolated light snow shower. But as Rob Westerby has been telling us, the road's in pretty good shape. Let's go to the RPM model. Has all the clouds around. Yes, a couple flurries that it's not showing. And then as we get into this evening, maybe a brief uptick with a few flurries or a snow shower overnight tonight. Tomorrow morning when you wake up, probably still clouds, but by late morning into the afternoon, here comes some sunshine. Going to be looking good on Saturday. Temperature still chilly, lower 30s, but how about looking good in terms of temps on Sunday? Could be pushing 50 in some areas.